Welcome to the Claude 3.5 Sonnet tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through integrating Claude's latest capabilities, including artifacts, projects, and agentic coding, into your workflow. Claude 3.5 Sonnet represents a monumental shift from a chatbot to a collaborative workstation. It offers a 2x speed increase over Claude 3 Opus, state-of-the-art reasoning, and industry-leading coding proficiency. A key feature is the innovative Artifacts user interface. Claude 3.5 Sonnet currently leads the industry in key benchmarks for reasoning and programming tasks, showcasing superior performance in graduate reasoning, general knowledge, coding, and math. Artifacts are a revolutionary feature. They provide a side-by-side view to create a live web experience, allowing you to view, edit, and iterate on content alongside your conversation. Key workflows include website previews and code sandbox testing. Core artifact capabilities include modularity, where content is generated in discrete, reusable blocks. Real-time capability lets you see results instantly. Versioning tracks iterations, allowing you to refine elements without losing progress. Claude 3.5 Sonnet excels in advanced vision, particularly in visual reasoning and data interpretation. It can interpret complex charts, transcribe imperfect text and images, and analyze system architecture diagrams. We move now to scaling collaboration with projects. This feature focuses on personalized knowledge bases and team alignment. Projects offer two main architectural components. The knowledge base allows you to upload up to 200K context of internal data. Custom instructions ensure consistent behavior across projects without repeated prompting. Projects serve as shared context vault. Projects enhance team synergy through consistency, ensuring all members interact with the same data and rules. Onboarding is simplified by instantly sharing documentation. Reusability is achieved by building and storing artifacts within a project for repeated use. Claude 3.5 Sonnet offers a significant coding advantage, solving 64% of internal agentic coding problems, vastly outperforming Opus's 38%. It supports iterative debugging, understands multi-file codebases, and handles complex legacy migrations. A practical use case is transforming raw CSV data into interactive charts. This process involves uploading the CSV, requesting a JSON conversion, prompting Claude to create an interactive dashboard, and then interacting with the chart in Artifacts. A feature comparison matrix highlights Claude 3.5 Sonnet's competitive edge. Notably, it boasts industry-leading coding logic and an integrated Artifacts interface. Building applications is a four-step process. First, prompt the app's purpose clearly. Second, preview the initial UI and test inputs in the Artifacts window. Third, refine by asking for logic or UI tweaks. Finally, deploy the code into your project or host it directly. Regarding safety and ethics, Anthropic's constitutional AI approach ensures Claude remains safe and helpful. It maintains ASL2 risk classification, has been tested by safety institutes, and includes verifiable citation processes. The key efficiency gains are clear: 2x response speed, 64% coding success, and 200K token context. Claude 3.5 Sonnet allows you to move from simple text to functional tools in minutes. Let's review some troubleshooting and FAQ points. For usage, free tier limits are about 10 to 15 prompts per session, so pro or team plans are recommended for professional use. For web access, Claude 3.5 Sonnet's knowledge cutoff is April 2024. The roadmap to mastery involves 4 stages. Explore the basic Artifacts interface, personalize by creating a project knowledge base, automate tasks by building mini-apps, and collaborate by deploying shared projects to your team. The shift in AI is profound. It moves from being a tool that answers questions to a collaborative teammate that builds solutions alongside us, ushering in the collaborative AI era. To gain actionable insights, use visual data to bypass long text descriptions. Always leverage projects for tasks needing company context. When using Artifacts, remember to iterate for best results, as perfection isn't expected in Prompt 1.